All right, we're going to do a temperature accuracy test on this Bemco Tensile chamber. All right, we're going to be testing this Bemco Tensile chamber. We'll just run it up to, say, 3 different set points and just see how long it takes to get there, and then the accuracy of how well it holds the set point. So we'll just have a clock here running a stopwatch of how long the chamber's been on, so you'll be able to get a reference there. And then we'll be using the high heat sometimes to heat it up quicker. So we'll just go ahead and turn it on. So right now the ambient is about, this is the controller for the chamber. It's reading about 57, and this external thermocouple is reading about 66 right now. So there's a couple degree difference to begin with this particular thermocouple here. So we'll go ahead and kick the heat on. We'll start the timer. And we'll set it at 250. All right, it's set at 250. Alright, so as you can see, it heated up fairly quickly within less than 3 minutes to 250 degrees. And so it overshoots it by a little bit, and then we'll just take a little break here and come back, and it'll stabilize in a few minutes. Alright, so we're back here. At about 8 minutes, it gets back to 250 degrees, and it seems to span between about 245 and 255. So that's, a 10-degree span, and that's only a few percent deviation. Alright, so now we're running up to 500. And again, we'll use the high heat to get there faster. Alright, so we'll let that heat up and come back to it. Alright, so here after about 16 minutes, it got up to 500, just overshoots it by a little bit. And we'll watch it here, maintain the 500. So as you can see, it holds it between about 490 and 502, so that's less than 3%. And this is the first time it went through a cycle, so it'll gradually get better. So now we'll run it up to 800. Yeah, we're going to need to pull this probe out because I don't think this one's rated for that. So we'll let that go and check back with it later. Alright, so here a few minutes later with the set point set at 800 degrees, it seems to hold it at about 782 with the high heat off. I think this is just because the tensile test ports in the top and bottom are completely open right now. So if we kick the high heat on, but even with the 780 degrees, that's still within about 3% of the set point. So with the high heat on, it seems to cycle between 790 and 812, and that's with all the upper and lower plugs removed. And there, it's going back up again. So there you have it. It seems to hold it within maybe 3 to 5%.